When we go into a new shop, a lot of times we'll hear, oh, we're doing fine, our vendor's doing a fine job for us. And that's where our tools come into play to help us help our new shops to see if they truly are. One of those tools is Performance Watch. We can take their sales in given categories, compare them against national averages to see if there's weaknesses or if they're doing really well. A lot of times what we'll find out is the shop owner is surprised to know that they're not even doing half of what the national average says they should be doing, and how much money they're truly leaving on the table.
The thing that's wonderful is it's more than one set of eyes looking at it, but it helps have just the right amount of stock to service our customers.
Periodically go through a review to see if parts that we currently stock are working for the cars that we have in our shop. And if they're not, then we make an adjustment. We'll pull some things and put some new things in. And normally we're real happy with our stock.